ఈ లైట్ ఉంటే మనకు రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నది. ఒక అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. ఒకవేళ మధ్యలో ఏదైనా అయితే ఆపుతుందంటే రికార్డ్ ఆగిపోయింది అర్థం.
Hello everyone, we the team are here to present our project on women safety measures in Hyderabad city by the Department of Political Science and Public Administration under the supervision of Geeta ma'am, Shanti ma'am and Malika ma'am. Let me start introduction of our project by the great personalities quote. There is no chance of welfare of the world unless the women condition is improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly with one wing, as it is emphasized by Swami Vivekananda. As we all know that India is famously known as Vishwaguru for its richness and culture. We can't hide the fact, since the ages, India is considered to be the safest place for women because she is treated with respect and utmost importance and even treated equal to goddess. But beyond the curtains, women in India needs immense courage to win her liberty over men and to be safe and to be equal. Over the centuries, women being treated equal to goddess suffered the most, whether it is Delhi, Hyderabad or UP. The crime is same and the victim is same. The violence against the woman is also same. Nowadays, whether she is educated, uneducated, upper class or lower class, the brutality and the discrimination is also same. Nowadays, women are facing many problems such as sexual harassment, dowry death and acid attacks, many more. Since being independent, India achieved its own targets in economy and being champion in artificial intelligence and robotics. But it is very sad to say that the same champion is not providing any safe environment to its women. Where lies the problem? Next, my friend will continue the problem statement. Sir,
The world we live in is an ingrained social system that all aspects of life, either personal or professional, is male-dominated. A male-dominated society is bound to be following a patriarchal societal system. Mostly the rules were made by men, but sadly there lies the problem. The decision makers and hierarchy below them were also male-dominated. Hence, the woman is not considered as a part of society, and the role also favors the men. Not just India, but the world is patriarchal. Today, India is becoming more and more unequal society, unsafe and harmonious place for women. According to reports, 75% of women faces violence, and the woman health is neglected, and the poor medical facilities also leaves the woman life in danger. Hence, here is the need that government as well as organizations should adopt safety and security measures for women, and also the government should promote awareness campaigns among public and self-defenses for women. Next, my friend Vishnu will continue with review of literature.
For the purpose of our study, we have reviewed existing literature on the women's safety, and we found that many of the studies were not covered on awareness among the women. And hypothesis: more awareness campaigns and programs on women-centric safety measures enhances the security of women in Telangana. Suresh will continue with our topics.
After reviewing the eco literature, a gap was identified that there was only few studies on the women-centric measures in the students. So to fill that gap, the following objectives were framed: to study the awareness levels among the students on women-centric measures in Telangana state, to analyze the factors influencing the awareness levels of respondents, to critically analyze the existing measures for providing conducive environment for the women, to provide suggestions for strengthening the existing system and offer more innovative solutions. Further, my friend Shishidhar will continue with methodology. Thank you. and we have collected primary data from them. For the purpose of secondary data, we prepare a questionnaire and we have given the questionnaire samples to the students and we have collected the samples from them. We have collected samples from different educational institutions like Government Junior College, Kachigura and Women's College, Badruga College and Keshav Memorial College. And after collecting the primary data from them, we have analyzed the above data with the statistical techniques like bar graphs and pie chart. Further, my friend Sai Kiran will continue.
By following the research methodology, and by following the research methodology, we have reached 11 educational institutions and collected the data from one of the respondents. We have characterized our questions into two types. One is regarding to test the inequality in the home, and the second type is to know the awareness levels among the youth regarding the women-centric safety measures. I would like to display a few questions. I would like to display a few important questions. Some of us are the question which we framed regarding to know the discrimination faced by among the respondents. The respondents are given us a report that 42% of them are facing discrimination while using their extracurricular activities, and 4.9% are discriminated at food. Extra. And the question which we asked whether do they are aware about the women safety measures in our state. 70% of them are aware about the women safety measures which are initiated by Telangana Police, and 29% of them are unaware. To take forward this question regarding the awareness among the youth, we have asked them regarding the usage of Hacker app. We have got a report that 89% of the people are aware about the Hacker app, but 60% of them are never installed Hacker app. Women awareness campaigns. Women awareness campaigns are mostly conducted by She-Teams by Telangana Police to make sure women are aware about the safety measures which are provided by Telangana state. We have, since many awareness is given in the different forms, but still youth are unaware that 64% of males and 60% of females are still unaware about the women's safety measures. E-learning programs. E-learning programs is the initiative by Telangana Police, to train the women protect by themselves. They have provided e-learning programs. Unfortunately, only 30% of people know about the e-learning programs, and 70% are still unknown. Cyberbullying is one of the major crime in the present society. Cybercrimes, it's very hard to prevent cybercrimes, and they must be prevented. Since 60% of people are unaware how to report a crime. To know the interpretation skill, to know regarding where do the women experience the most violence, respondents have given a report that 32% of the people experience the violence at public places. But the fact is, most of the women experience the violence by the known people, that is at the homes. And my friend Shashidhar will come to findings. Yes, sir. Good boy.
మీరైతే
After analyzing the aqua data, we came up with the following findings. Still in the society, inequality and discrimination are still deep-rooted in the modern homes. Crime can be prevented only with the coordination with the people and the policemen. And we came up with the finding that youth are still unaware of the safety and security measures. It is very hard to solve cyber crimes, so they must be prevented by the exercising cyber security precaution. Next, my friend Chitra will continue with the suggestions.
after analyzing findings, we have made some suggestions. There were more and more programs and campaigns must be initiated in educational institutions, public places, and in social media with peer groups. And women and men must be treated equally. Male dominance would create inferiority complex among women. Thus, women cannot exercise their functions. And finally, the conclusion is women's safety and security is not just a mere concern of women, but it is the responsibility of everyone to protect her. Thank you.